welcome to Light Paves the Way. I hope that you're all doing well. I'm Shez. So, the message that I got was there was police knocking on someone's door. There was a lot of police, and they've been the person that the police was coming to, they'd already given a statement regarding a situation, or they've already been done for this offence before. So let's see, I'm just going to draw a couple of what's the tea, just to get a little bit of insight of what's actually going on. All my messages are timeless, so I trust that whenever you are guided to one of my videos that there'll be a message in there for you. No gender in tarot. We all hold masculine and feminine energies, so flip the rules if need be. I'll take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see. Why was the police? Right, so fishing for comments. Okay. Dirt digging. Bankrupt. Okay, things are really chaotic. Ooh, child services, and this one here, jackpot. Okay. Underneath the debt we've got cyberbullying. So this could be, sorry, this really relaxes me. Fishing for comments. Someone's been saying things, I feel, that isn't true. They just someone's fabricated something, and they're being investigated. This person could be, trying to concoct anything that will get you in trouble. This person has a lot of financial problems, they're in debt, they're going bankrupt. This person may have phoned child services in the UK, social services. They could have said that you was abusing your children. This person could have been paid to do this to you. Oh my God. Yeah, this person, I feel like they was paid. They was paid to concoct some sort of story, or they was paid to invest, like keep an eye on you for money, and they wanted more. And so they started concocting false stories about you. Wow. was all for money. All for money. Give me a second. Yeah, this was all for money. We have the two of wands. This is Aries energy, Mars in Aries. So this person could be quite aggressive. Quite aggressive. Yeah, this the comments that this person has been making, they're waiting to see results. Yeah, this person could have been saying that you're very aggressive, and they're waiting for the police to turn up at your door. Yeah, they've lied to the police. They've lied and to get you in trouble. We have the Knight of Pentacles reversed. Yeah, this person things aren't going well in their life. This is someone really stubborn. This is also someone that is very greedy. This is someone that doesn't want to work. This is someone that wants to work, but wants to they want more. This is greed. This is greed. We have Jupiter energy. So this is expansion. Someone wants to keep you stuck, and they're yeah. This person has been saying that you're aggressive, really aggressive. You know, they could have phoned child services, the police, and it's all to keep you stuck. And with the Jupiter energy here, they don't want you to expand. They don't want you to excel in what it is that you are doing. Got Pisces energy here. You could be really sympathetic as well as intuitive, and they don't like it. We have the Eight of Cups here. Again, more Pisces energy. But this is it's a return, a going back. This could be someone from your past. Someone that you've walked away from. This person, you're expanding. You're literally, you know, the more you work on stuff, you're expanding in your career, your emotional maturity, you know, your spiritual path. You just keep expanding, but this person wants to hold you back. They want to pull you back into old energy, but they can't do it. Yeah, this person wants to leave you extremely unbalanced. They don't want you to have self-control. Yeah. We have the devil and the Ten of Swords. So we've got Capricorn energy here. And Gemini energy. This is deep betrayal. They've tried to tie you to something here. They've communicated something. They've tried to really, they've tried to tie you to something nefarious with whatever they've said. They've took action on something, and you know, they've said that you're really, really aggressive. Yeah, it's this person that's done it. It's out of pure greed. Out of pure greed. They've done this for money. They thought this was a brilliant opportunity to get money, to betray you, to stab you in the back. They wanted you to hit rock bottom, cause you so much pain. There's a need to, they know that you're really organised, really organised. There's a need for caution here, a need for caution. Why? Why is there a need for caution? Why is there a need for caution? So many, I'm seeing there's just like, it's not just one police car, there's 3, 4, 5 police cars. Yeah, we have Moon in Cancer here. Four of Cups with the Queen of Cups. Don't accept anything from anyone at the moment. So this Queen of Cups here, someone may come in. This is someone who's very unnurturing, you know, they're insecure, but this is also someone that could fall into addictions. There's a need to trust your instincts. Trust your instincts. Protect yourself, because this Queen of Cups could come in and bring bring you a gift, offer you a gift, or hi. Sorry, both my cats are here. They're about to jump on the desk. Yeah, they're gonna offer you something. Bring you a gift. Don't take it. Don't take it. As you all know, I've said it before. Cats are very, very protective, and it's funny how during this read and what I was saying, they've jumped up on the desk. I'm gonna pause this, sort them out, and I'll come back to you. But just know that you are being protected here in some sort of way. I don't think whatever this Queen of Cups is saying, I don't think this is going to work. Right, I'm going to pause you. I'll be back in a moment. I do apologise for that. There's really be cautious of accepting anything from a Queen of Cups reversed. This gift that they're trying to offer you, it's going to tie you to something. It's like I'm getting stolen goods. Yeah, they're trying to get you involved in something, set you up in some sort of way. And if they can tie you to something to set you back, to bring you down, they receive money. Okay. Right, we have the Two of Cups reversed. And we've got the Nine of Wands reversed underneath the deck. Yeah, they're going to come in and offer you something. You know, this is a proposal. They may come in and try and romanticize this person could ask you out. They're hoping that you haven't, set any boundaries, that you aren't protected. Yeah, they're hoping that you're not going to use your intuition here. Again, with Cancer energy, yeah, this person is hoping that you do not use your intuition. The Eight of Wands reversed. This is Sagittarius energy. Two has just fell on the floor. I'm not going to take those. But there's some sort of blockage here. Yeah, they're hoping you don't use your intuition, so, they can block you. They can cause you problems and delays. Got 8. The Prince of Wands reversed. This is a really chaotic person. Very impulsive, very, very impulsive. They could have said that you're... Wow, no. Yeah, this person... this person could have said that you was a prostitute. That you was extremely unbalanced in your energy and you was a prostitute. But you're not. You're someone that sits at home, meditates, drinks your water. You know, some of you are celibate. You're very, very balanced. Some of you... This person, if you're a person that sticks to routine, this person could try to connect with you when you go into meditation, when you sleep, so they can attach this sex energy to you to cause you to become unbalanced. What I'm seeing, yeah, even though it's like diagonal, I'm seeing here you are protected from the angels of the north, the archangels from the north, the west, the east, the south. Yeah, you're very, very protected. This person can't touch you. They cannot touch you. You've literally got the archangels from the four corners protecting you here. This person can't get you, even though they're trying to connect to you when you're meditating, when you're sleeping. Yeah, you are being protected, and it's very, when over here when the cats jumped on, I got protection straight away. You are being protected. All this that this person is trying to do, trying to block you, you know, by being nefarious, trying to connect you to nefarious things, all because they're having money issues and they're trying to... There's someone else behind this. There's someone else behind this. This person is doing this for somebody else. And they can't do it. They can't do it. This person isn't going to get paid. We have the Wheel of Fortune here. Yeah. You're being protected by the archangels of the four corners here. This isn't gonna work out for them. Some of you may be I'm getting compensated. The wheel, this jackpot, this the money that they're being paid. Some of you are you're going to receive it. Everything that this person is doing, you will be or has already done, because this may serve as confirmation. You're going to be compensated. You're going to see the wheel turn in your favour. Yeah, someone's going to come in and communicate. Yeah, someone's going to come in and communicate. This is going to literally, this communication that's going to come in, it's going to change your life. And with the Wheel of Fortune here, it's going to change it for the better. You're going to become, yeah, you're going to be compensated. That's coming in strong. Yeah. Princess of Pentacles. Yeah, you're going to hear news of money here. I'm getting Three of Wands. This is going to be, you know, it's going to be quite unexpected. Quite unexpected. But throughout this ordeal, you know, if you feel like you've been targeted throughout all, and you've had dealings with child services, social services, you've been really patient, and you know, you've kept your cool throughout all of this. And people are impressed. People are impressed of how patient you've been. You've stayed in a nurturing, grounded energy. This is literally going to backfire, and I feel like the police turning up at someone's door, they was expecting them to turn up at your door, but they're not. Someone's been warned before to stop doing something, and they've continued to carry on, to harass you, to bully you. But they've just done something for the last time, and they're going to have the police at their door. Right, I'm going to leave that there. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and also click the notification bell, because then you will get notified of when I post, and I shall see you all again soon. Bye.